Three new students are meeting for the first time in an English project group at the university. They are in a classroom getting to know each other before starting their group discussion.
Hi guys, I'm Muhammad Aidil Fitri and you guys can call me Aidil. I'm originally from Banjarmasin and my hobby is watching movies. I'm really excited about this project and nice to meet you guys.
Hello, I'm Muhammad Yuskon, you can call me Ikon. I'm also from Banjarmasin. My hobbies is watching movies and listening to music. I hope we can move together and share our idea effectively. Nice to meet you.
Hi, I'm Lucy Ray Ramadan, but you can call me Raya. I'm from Kota Baru and my hobby is listening to music. Nice to meet you too.
Wow, that's quite a distance to Kota
Yes, it's a bit of a journey. It takes about 12 hours to get here. That's why I'm staying in a dorm on Cendana Street.
Oh, I see, I see. Well, I think we have introduced ourselves enough. Let's now discuss our idea and find ways to come together.
Yeah, let's start the discussion and thank you for the introduction. I'm really looking forward to working together.